Straight from Kohl's. No, I'm joking. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and today we got another boring shoe review.
Boring!
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir, man. If you haven't, hit subscribe, hit the like button, everything the YouTubers say. Whatever, man. It really helps the channel, though. Today is another Sachs general purpose boring shoe, Nike Craft. A lot of names, man. But another colorway. And this one might be my favorite colorway. If not, definitely second to the yellow ones. I really like the yellow ones. But the brown Travis Scott look, same model, same silhouette, same general purpose shoe, just an all brown colorway. It's crazy how we incorporate brown with Travis Scott now that he uses so much. But before we get into the unboxing of the new Craft colorway, it's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. Today, I'm rocking the Essential Seafoam colorway, so it's only right that I put on my Mummy SB Dunks in the Seafoam Coconut Milk colorway. I threw them on today because if you haven't, check out my early review of the the Rabbit Nike Dunk. Got that same coconut milk colorway, so I decided to put these on today. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. I'm digging it, man. I'm really digging this. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. This is the pair that I actually won on sneakers. The pair that I got from Sachs, I just got the confirmation that it's shipped today, even though I won that a day before Nike. So shout out to Nike for the fast shipping. And shout out to Nike because if you hit on the sneakers app or if you buy it off Nike.com, because right now small sizes are still there, you will only pay $109. If you buy it from Sachs website, they charge you like $20 for shipping. I think I'm paying $126 or something there. But from Nike, $109 straight. You can't beat that. And I've been talking too long. Let's unbox it. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So I reviewed the other two colorways, the yellow and the like bleach and blue look, and they both had the same box as this. Nothing's changed. You got Nike Craft there, Nike Craft there, Nike Craft here. It says general purpose shoe, Sachs there. Nothing's changed, guys. On less, do more. I can't remember if that was on the first two, but that's definitely here. Sachs been giving me some dope quotes lately, man, so I'm really digging that. Open the box. Inside you got the same words again like the last two. So everything's staying the same. Regular tissue paper, and we're going to start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Nike Craft general purpose in the brown colorway. You know what? Let me see what this colorway's called.
A few moments later.
Okay, they calling it Pecan Dark Field Brown. So I kind of see all of that in here. It just looks like a chocolate bar to me. But let's start with the swoosh. Again, the swoosh is like, I want to say translucent, but that's not the word. It's just really not there. It's like it's drawed on or marked on, but you see the swoosh there. It's hard to explain. Again, in the description, it say that the sneaker is light enough to move around, but thick enough that raindrops can't get through. So that's super crazy. The The toe box has that same look that the swoosh give you. I guess it's like a tape look, like painted tape look. I guess that's the best I could say. But the whole sneaker is really a mesh. And when you think of brown, you get to the back, you think of nubuck suede. Every time I think of brown, I think of nubuck suede. And I don't know if that's a Travis Scott thing or just a brown colorway overall. But your back is where you only get really your nubuck suede besides the front of the toe box. Around the toe box, I should say, and the shoelace holders. So that's where all your nubuck suede come in. Again, you see the toe box, around the toe box, to the back. The top of the sneaker is more of a mesh look all the way around, but same color. You get more of a chocolate look on your shoelaces, more of that dark brown there. You got a Nike tag here, old school Nike tag, orange swoosh. Pull tab is in black, and the back says Tom Sachs. Bottom have your trail rugged look. Remember, this is a general purpose shoe, so it's meant for everything. I get Pharrell vibes down here, Pharrell Adidas NMD vibes, but you got the Nike Craft logo there. I love that swoosh, man. I really like that swoosh. And that's really the sneaker. The inside, no shoe tree, you just got regular tissue paper. Your inside is even brown too. Again with that swoosh. Get y'all to see that. Sneakers all brown, man. It's very little bit of black. They go black right there in the mud guard going back down to the bottom. But it's brown everywhere in the shoe. Old school Nike logo on the back. Similar to the Dunk one a little bit, but it does have that Tom Sachs touch on it in the back. This is the right shoe here, but also note saying it has the US patent on the bottom. You really don't see that on sneakers. I really like that. Mine come with a little bit of stain on it right there. As you can see, straight from Nike. It's a stain there, man. But other than that, no glue stains. Everything else looks A1 and put together. This should rub off easy. It's not nothing I should contact Nike about. It is a little glue stain there also. Get that to focus. As you can see there, but for $109, man, I can't be that mad. Nike Craft, Tom Sachs. Pecan and Dark Field Brown. Crazy names, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. For the price tag, man, there's no way I could be mad at this. I just can't, man. I can't. This is a good price for a comfortable sneaker. That's worth being said. Comfortable sneaker, man. Let me know if y'all was able to cop. GOAT has these for like $130, size 12, which converts into a 10.5, man. I seen even lower for different sizes. I seen these go down to $90. So if you want them, I say get them now, because Tom Sachs does have this nostalgic around him that it might pop off, man, and these things be $500 in a year or two. I don't know. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.